This video was created for the hashtag Under $5 Meals collab that is hosted by bushcraftycooks. Although I am vegan and so is my recipe, it can be adapted by those of you who can eat meat without having excruciating joint pain from gout by just replacing the lentils and rice with ground turkey and still keeping the cost pretty much under $5. However, lentils provide something that meat doesn't: fiber. For many years, I was on the Atkins diet. I didn't eat fruit, potatoes, or bread. I ate 1 7-inch carrot a week. At first, I lost about 60 pounds over the course of a summer. On several occasions, I ate a pound of bacon for a snack, and I kept hard-boiled eggs in my purse when I went places, just in case I needed a snack. If I had no other option, I'd go to Wendy's and I'd order 2 burgers without the bun. Then I'd use the patties as a bun, with the lettuce, tomato, and pickle in between. But after a while, my body became accustomed to my low-carb way of eating, and I began to gain weight. Then I heard about Haley Pomeroy's fast metabolism diet. I got the book and followed the diet just to prove that it wouldn't work for me. But after gaining weight on the low-carb diet, it worked. It tricked my body into losing 15 pounds the very first week, all by enjoying fruit, carrots, and bread for 5 days a week and eating low-carb for 2 days a week instead of 7. And when I went back on the low-carb diet, I gained weight again. But I gained even more when I went back to eating sugar. Sorry, I got way off track here. Let's get to my recipe. For this recipe, the first thing we're going to need is some lentils and some rice. Though you could use brown rice or you could use white rice. Today, we're going to use white rice because that's what I've got on hand. A can of diced tomatoes, a half cup of chopped green peppers, and a half cup of chopped onions. Now I know what you're thinking. All of that is going to cost me way more than $5. If I spend $1.92 on the lentils, $1.77 on the rice, and 96 cents on the tomatoes, I've already spent $4.65. That leaves me with 45 cents. And I still have to buy the peppers and the onions. And you're right. If we take the $4.65 that we spent on the lentils, rice, and tomatoes, and then we add the $1.56 for each of the bags of vegetables, it's going to cost us $7.77. That's $2.77 over. But here's the thing. We'll start with the lentils. We don't need the whole bag. Not for this recipe. This bag of lentils will make 15 servings, and we only need 4 servings for this recipe. So if we pay $1.92 for 15 servings, that comes to almost a little less than 13 cents a serving. And since our recipe has 4 servings, this is going to come to about 52 cents for this recipe. Or even if you only get 13 servings from this bag, that would be less than 60 cents for this recipe. Or you could use ground turkey, but you would need to use 2 pounds. Once cooked, this $1.77 2-pound bag of rice will make 15 cups of cooked rice. And we're only using 1 cup today. And 1 cup of cooked rice from this 2-pound bag of rice will cost a little less than 12 cents a cup. So if we add the 51 cents from the lentils and the 13 cents from the rice, it comes to 64 cents into our recipe. At 96 cents, this is the most expensive part of our recipe, and we're going to use the whole can. So if we add the 64 cents from the lentils and the rice to the 96 cents for the diced tomatoes, we're at $1.60. A half cup of the chopped green peppers costs about 30 cents. And the same goes for the chopped onions, which brings the cost of this meal up to $2.20. Now, when I make this meal, I usually use a packet of taco seasoning, but I was out of it, and I just used some things that were in my cupboard. So I'm not going to add the 47 cents, but maybe we could add a nickel. Okay, the first thing we're going to start with is some lentils. And pour a cup into my measuring cup. Pour it in there. Then we're going to fill them up with water and let them soak for a few minutes. Then we'll be back. Well, here they are. They're all soaked, rinsed, and drained. Okay, they soaked. I rinsed them off, and I add 2.5 cups of water. Now, I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes and 22 seconds because I'm too lazy to look for the zero. And here we are, 22 minutes later, with a nice bowl of fluffy lentils. I'm going to do the same thing with the rice. Put 1 cup of dry rice in the cup. We're only going to use half of this for this recipe, but as long as I'm cooking it, I'm cooking it. We're going to fill it up with water and let it soak for 20 minutes. I should have showed you how cloudy that water was. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. If you don't want to have tough rice, don't add any salt, vinegar, or tomatoes at this point. Just water should be enough. Then we're going to put this in the microwave for 22 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, I got this bag of chopped green peppers, but we don't need the whole bag, as well as this bag of chopped onions, but I think half a cup of each should do it. Now this bowl contains 3 cups of cooked lentils, but we only need 2 for now. So I'm going to use 4 half cups. And we've got a cup left for soup. Add our frozen veggies. And now I've got this can of diced tomatoes, but they are how much at Walmart? So dump in our tomatoes. And I can even count the price of this because we're just going to put a couple shakes of garlic powder, a couple shakes of onion powder. I think some chili powder would be good in there. And some celery seed maybe. When the rice is done, we'll add that. Let's give it a good mix. Okay, the rice is done. So we're going to add a cup. Of the cooked rice and mix it in. I'm just going to have 1 bowl now, and I'll put the rest away for another day. But this will feed a hungry family of 4. And I've got vegan cheese, and this isn't cheap, so you could eat it plain, but I want cheese. And if you can have dairy cheese, it's only going to be $1.97 for a bag. But this is more expensive, but I'm only going to use probably 2 tablespoons. I think I'm going to warm it up with the cheese in there. Well, it's done. Let's see how it is. Does it look good? That's hot. But it's really tasty. You could use taco seasoning instead. Could put more cheese on if you have more. I try to use little bits at a time. I like cheese on my tomatoes, but this is just perfect. Gotta try it. It'll fill up my belly. Now, if you're going to use ground turkey, you could use a can of tomato paste instead and save 10 cents, and then add 2 cans of the water. Then add onion powder instead of the onions, and use half as many diced green peppers to make it under $5. Or you could make it twice by using lentils and rice instead of the meat. It's your choice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share if you know somebody who really needs to stay on a budget.